Sage, with its velvety leaves and earthy aroma, is a gift from the garden. Its unique texture and scent make it a standout herb, easily recognizable and deeply cherished by those who grow and use it. It has graced kitchens and gardens for centuries, prized for its distinct flavor and culinary versatility. From savory dishes to sweet treats, sage adds a depth of flavor that is both robust and subtle, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Native to the Mediterranean region, sage is a member of the mint family and is celebrated for its culinary and medicinal qualities. Its hardy nature allows it to thrive in various climates, making it a popular choice for gardeners around the world. Sage's botanical name, Salvia officinalis, hints at its historical significance. This name reflects its long-standing importance in both culinary and medicinal traditions. Salvia is derived from the Latin word salvare, meaning to heal. This etymology underscores the herb's ancient reputation as a healing plant, used in various cultures for its therapeutic properties. This connection to healing underscores the herb's traditional use in herbal remedies. Herbalists have long valued sage for its potential to soothe and heal, incorporating it into a variety of treatments and preparations. Today, sage continues to be appreciated not only for its flavor, but also for its potential health benefits. Modern research supports many of the traditional uses of sage, highlighting its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Whether in the kitchen or the medicine cabinet, sage remains a versatile and valuable herb. Sage has been recognized for its potential health benefits for centuries. While more research is needed, studies suggest that sage contains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm cells. Traditionally, sage has been used to support digestion, ease sore throats, and potentially enhance cognitive function. Some studies explore the possibility that sage may improve memory and cognitive performance. While intriguing, it's important to note that further research is necessary to confirm these potential benefits. Sage, with its robust flavor, is best used in moderation. This aromatic herb can elevate your culinary creations, but it's important to use it wisely. A little goes a long way in adding depth and complexity to your dishes. Its potent flavor can easily overpower other ingredients if not used sparingly. As a general guideline, start with a small amount, such as a teaspoon or two of fresh sage leaves. This allows you to gauge its impact on your dish without overwhelming it. Alternatively, you can use a half teaspoon of dried sage, which is more concentrated. Adjust the quantity to suit your taste and the specific recipe you are following. Pay attention to how your body responds to sage. Everyone's tolerance can vary, and it's essential to listen to your body's signals. While generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, sage can be a wonderful addition to a balanced diet. However, excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort in some individuals. Symptoms can include stomach pain, nausea, or even more severe reactions in rare cases. As with any dietary changes, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider. They can offer personalized advice based on your health history and current conditions. Especially if you have any underlying health conditions, discussing your sage intake with a healthcare professional ensures that you can enjoy its benefits safely and effectively. Sage's earthy, slightly peppery flavor pairs beautifully with a variety of dishes, both savory and sweet. This versatile herb can elevate the taste of your meals, making them more aromatic and flavorful. One of the simplest ways to enjoy sage is to add a few fresh leaves to your favorite dishes. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew, a delicate pasta, or even a refreshing salad, sage can add a unique touch. Try adding whole sage leaves to your next pan-seared steak or chicken breast during the last few minutes of cooking. This technique allows the sage to impart its full flavor without overpowering the dish. The heat will release the sage's aromatic oils, infusing your dish with a savory depth. This not only enhances the taste, but also adds a delightful aroma that can make your kitchen smell amazing. Sage is a natural complement to roasted vegetables, especially those with earthy and sweet flavors. It pairs wonderfully with root vegetables, bringing out their natural sweetness and adding a layer of complexity. Toss diced butternut squash, sweet potatoes, or carrots with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a few fresh sage leaves before roasting. This simple preparation can transform ordinary vegetables into a gourmet side dish. The sage will caramelize slightly in the oven, adding a nuanced sweetness to the dish. This caramelization process not only enhances the flavor, but also gives the vegetables a beautiful golden brown color, making them as visually appealing as they are delicious. Section 5. Sage in sweet treats, beyond savory delights. While sage is often celebrated for its savory applications, it can also lend a surprising twist to sweet treats. Its earthy notes add a unique complexity to desserts, creating a delightful balance of flavors. One classic combination is sage and brown butter. The nutty richness of brown butter pairs beautifully with sage's earthy aroma. Try incorporating sage into your next batch of brown butter cookies, or use it to elevate a simple brown butter sauce for pasta. Section 6. Cultivating wellness. Embrace sage in your daily life. Beyond its culinary uses, sage can also be enjoyed in other ways that enhance well-being. Consider incorporating sage into your daily routine to infuse your life with its calming aroma and potential health benefits. Create a soothing sage tea by steeping fresh or dried sage leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The warm, aromatic tea can be enjoyed before bedtime to promote relaxation. Sage is believed to have calming properties that may help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Section 7. Thank you for embracing the flavors of sage.